its own likeness and dislikeness, that the quality of the product also matters. So who tells you the quality?
Commerce people.
How is it commerce people? How is we engineers, we agriculture in the people who are working in the agriculture department who are going to tell you whether it's a high yielding plant or a low yielding plant. And whether the protein value, whether the carbohydrate value differs, yes or no.
It is certified which is
Scientists work under FSSI.
what?
Scientists are the people who are working under FSSI to tell what is the quality of a good.
That's what
Commerce is.
scientists work under.
Without scientists, you wouldn't be having that commerce people who would have to do this survey. You wouldn't be knowing anything about the survey. It wasn't us. We are the main people in that.
Now, if you speak about scientists, they do not make products for only science people. They think about the whole world and for the commerce department, who is going to commercialize it in the world.
Thank you. You just supported us.
I don't know how we supported you, but you just know that market survey, because of science people, you're able to do the market survey. But as it goes, Siddharth, market survey is done by the marketing department, not the science department, sorry.
So if you didn't know what to survey about, why would you do a survey?
What? Sorry?
If you didn't know what the quality of the product is, what the product is exactly, why would you do a survey?
We do the survey according to the demands of the people.
Demands of the people, demands of the quality of the product, which we tell you whether it's yes, high, yes, low.
We don't select the quality when we do a survey. We just know that
We do surveys. See, this is the, I don't know if I'm coming into your comments or not, but then how much the demand of the product definitely depends on the quality it has, right? So that's why there are some things called like, buy this, get something free. That's because the quality is low. So the quality of a product depends. So if you're going to do a survey, if you're going to find out the price of a product, you obviously have to check based on the quality, right?
But before demand, before the quality, we need to do the survey. If it's required for the people or not, we need to see that also.
See, apart from not only the fact that you have to do a survey to set the price, you also set the price based on the quality, right?
According to the quality and the economic, the sectors of the people, the section of the people.
Exactly. So quality is also part of it.
Quality is a part, but first.
Yeah. So you can't only set the price of a product based on how much it's going to affect.
I'm not telling about the price. You can just
Excuse me, one second. I request everyone to even equally participate and speak up. And please, it's better if you guys stand up and have a proper rebuttal session and maintain the diagram of the session. Please, everyone to participate and speak up their best.
I want to tell my dear fellow about it.
Who is speaking,
You just spoke about the FDI, foreign direct investment, which totally depends, which plays a major role in improving the economy of the country. And I would like to tell you that FDI comes under commerce, and science is a very small. Science plays a very small part in FDI. Commerce plays a huge part in FDI.
Okay, so you said FDI, commerce plays a very big role. But FDI is what? It's based on agriculture, infrastructure, defense, and doesn't science play an important role over there?
Well, science plays an important role, but commerce plays a major role in that.
Excuse me, you know there is small role. You didn't say anything.
How does commerce play a vital role?
Agriculture. Before earlier also, science was not there, technology was not there, then also agriculture was there.
My question was, how does commerce play an important role in FDI?
Agriculture,
Sorry, agriculture and infrastructure. She just told that. That's what my team is doing.
Yeah. So, you have any answers?
We just proved her point.
My dear fellow opponent Tarun, you said that for advertisement only television is out there, banners, something. My name is Naman. Yeah, you said that for advertisement we need televisions and such all. But advertisement is also done through communication. People say that you should buy this product, this is good. Advertisement is there, and communication is not invented by scientists. It is a part of commerce.
People communicate with each other to advertise and to buy this product. If you go and tell anyone in the street or someone who you don't know to buy a product, would you buy it? You are a person. The person whom he's talking to, who's telling him to buy the product, not a commercial. He's just his friend. And the friend is getting to know because of the advertisement what he saw from the television or the banners or the posters, which are the products.
You would go and tell anyone on the street that you like this product or not. You obviously go and tell your family and friends, and your family and friends, if they trust you, they'll believe you.
So, take a ratio. How many are there in the advertisement field in the whole country?
Might be some 10% or something.
10% goes and tells their family around 20. First of all, 10% is a little high ratio, what you do.
Okay, 5%.
Okay. 5% goes and tells their family members.
If they're,
Everyone doesn't listen to you.
if they're an advertisement market, you just go that marketing. If the 10% of the, if the 5% of the people are involved in marketing, so it's not that they go and tell the family, they go and tell the family and friends. If they're involved in marketing, they go and tell the whole world.
So obviously you need a medium through which you can market and advertise your product, and that medium is provided by science. If you don't have a medium, how are you going to advertise your product?
You provided a medium, but we're not using it now. We are using it.
We don't provide it, how do we use it? See, communication isn't part of science, it's a part of commerce.
How can you say that communication isn't a part of science? Mobile phones, internet is all a part of communication, and that's very much
They are invented for communication. They are invented for communication. How is communication commerce? We communicate with each other to spread, like something we communicate.
My opponent, Aman, you are using a mind to communicate something to us, that is critical science.
But who produces that? It's not a single scientist who provides for the whole nation. It's the industry that who provide for the whole nation. You can just give it to an individual if you produce one mic. Commerce is provided to the whole world.
Okay, take the example of the new company Ricky Press. It is the owner of the company that do IITMs. No PhDs of manufacturing, but they have created a mobile which no other company in this world could do, and a smartphone at a price of 250, whatever that. And they haven't used any commerce person to give that. They gave it to newspaper, again newspapers created a science. The technology to print newspaper or to print paper is by science.
You would do the advertisement through newspaper, but advertisement is a part of commerce.
Okay, advertisement is part of the commerce, but what about the invention you did? You mentioned that invention and innovation is done by commerce. If there's no invention, you mentioned that, but if there's no invention, what is having commerce in this world?
We never mentioned that we do the invention. It's you who do the invention, but we commercialize it.
You're contradicting your own point. You said
You just know that inventions and innovations are done by the commerce people. We never know that we do invention. It's you who do invention, but we commercialize
If
it.
we don't do the invention or the innovation, what will you commercialize?
When we tell you to invent, because when we tell you the demand of the people, when we do the market survey, market research, then that's how we come to know
The world was not created because of you.
You can take it in another way also.
The world was not created because of you. That was science.
Oh, prove it.
Huh?
Can you prove it?
Yeah, it's already proved. If you want. There are studies. Big Bang Theory is a science. It's science. So it resulted in the creation of world.
Big Bang Theory resulted in the creation.
Atomic bomb was also science. It took lives of many people, destruction.
Were you there when the world was started? So how can you just prove? No one here was born when the world was started. No one can prove or is a live witness or something.
You can if you can commercialize the product of something, if you can commercialize the product which is made by science, then why can't you believe?
Because the people are seeing the product. You didn't see when it was started. This world has started. You saw when a product is produced live and the people are living, they can see the product, so they have to believe it. It's as simple as that.
Oh, that's a naive.
You know, in Kanchipuram, silk sarees are produced, and they are produced without any technology, handmade. No technology is used. Sarees are produced with handmade textile machines, handmade looms. science created with handmade
I
tools.
mentioned Kanchipuram.
Wait, nothing. You are telling no technologies being used in the sense of no machines, like no electric machines being used.
Yeah.
They are still using the handmade tools.
Those saris,
Those handmade, you cannot be a sari with only putting threads one by one like that. You do have to do.
but it's traditional, it's done by hand for your kind information, and it costs some 2 lakhs or something for a single piece of sari. And those loom produced saris cost some 10,000. So it's proved that without technology, the product is of much more importance.
Okay, one more thing. Can I just establish this?
Yeah.
You said that handmade things cost more. But then what are you using to make it? Cloth, right? You're using material, you're using silk. So where are you getting that silk from?
Silkworm,
Yeah, so how are you cultivating
it's
it?
nature.
Yeah, so how are you cultivating it? Through science. You can't market something like this.
So you just give a silk glue or something to people, like you wear this or you give a sari.
That's what see, you're saying that obviously you need material to make clothes. And the only way you can figure it out is by using science.
The ultimate product is provided by the commerce. So people
okay, yeah, so I'm not talking about the destination. Whatever is going, whatever is happening through the journey is also important, right? So over there, science is happening everywhere. Commerce is there at the end, it's standing somewhere else.
Commerce is at the end and as well as in the beginning. As I told you, they tell about the demand. So we are connecting you with the people so that people needs can be satisfied. We are not telling that inventions are not doing anything. But if you invent something, you need money. If you won't take any money from the business, you're going to go to the banks, right? The banks that their accountants, their management skills, it's all commerce again. If you don't go to banks, if you invent something, you commercialize. You need for commercialization and marketing, you need again commerce.
Without full stop sentence is incomplete. We are end. Without full stop there is no income. The sentence is incomplete. Without commerce, science is incomplete.
In the world. Like financial